Hello and welcome to our free course, How to Teach Your Toddler to Play Chess. The course that teaches children as young as 2 years old how to play the game of chess. And today's session, which is the ninth one, is about how the king moves. Okay, so enjoy and I'll see you at the other end. Hi, this is Steve Colding from Chess for Children. If you're a parent, a grandparent, aunt, or uncle, and are interested in teaching little ones how to play chess, well, subscribe because we're going to create a whole bunch of videos to help you do just that. And if you subscribe, you will help us tremendously. Thanks a lot. The king, moving and taking. The king's the most special one of all. If he's lost, the kingdom falls. The king moves one square at a time in a straight or diagonal line. The king moves only one square at a time in any direction, so the king can move up or down, side to side, or diagonally one square at a time. A king cannot jump a man, it takes a thing right where it stands. The kings, like the rooks, pawns, bishop, and queens, can be blocked. Also, kings take things in the same way that they move. When the king captures something, it lands on the square that the piece was on. Now it is time for the challenge. Take out the chessboard, place a couple of kings on it, and have your child practice moving the kings. When they have this done perfectly, give them points and give them praise. Take out the file, Kings PDF. Have your child do the exercises. When they have done this, give them points and give them praise. Now that we know how the kings move, it is now time to put the kings on the chessboard. The king goes in the middle of the board next to the queen. The light king goes on the square E1, and the dark king goes on the square E8. Have your child set up the board, adding the rooks, the pawns, the bishop, the queen, and the king. Now it is time to play a game. Have your child set up the board, adding the rooks, the pawns, the bishop, the queen, and the king. The rules of the game are, if you take the king, you win the game. First person to take the king wins the game. In this game, you can promote your pawns to any piece except a king. Play a lot and have fun. And you have finished session 9 in our free course, How to Teach Your Toddler to Play Chess. Next up, the knight. And the knight is the kids' favorite pieces. Anyway, I'll see you then. And remember, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. It really helps us out. Thanks a lot. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like or subscribe to the channel. It really helps us reach more parents and children. Also visit chessforchildren.com where you'll find additional videos, articles, and resources for young players. And don't forget to join the Chess Hero newsletter for free tips, activities, and updates.